Hello everyone, Jialan Package here. Today I would like to share with everyone a very premium looked box package. This package is made of eco-friendly cardboard paper. It's very sturdy. It has a magnetic closure which secures the box. And please have a look how this closure is aligned with the box edge. It looks very sturdy. It secures everything that's inside. It comes in a lot of different sizes, and we can do lots of different colors as well, that we can do all your logos here. So that's why we recommend you with these boxes, because it can brighten your logos or your brand. If you like it, please contact us and we'll share more information with you.